Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to one more video from Raghava Tutorials. I am your lecturer Saujanya. So here I have a new problem. So we have to find out operating leverages, financial leverages and combined leverages. So these three types of leverages we have to cover in this problem. So first they have given, so here main thing they have given we have to do for company A separately, company B separately here. So ಎರಡು ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿವರೇಜಸ್, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಲಿವರೇಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಲಿವರೇಜಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತ್ರೀ leverages we have to do. So first they have given all the requirements we want. So sales, variable cost, contribution, fixed cost, EBIT, interest, EBT. So for the E company and for the B company they have given both the amounts as it is. So we can go through for from the first A company A and afterwards we'll go through the company B. We start from the company A. So first they have given sales. For company A, sales is 500. Amount is 500. So from sales we have to deduct variable cost. So variable cost, they have given variable cost. See, variable cost is 200 and contribution amount is this amount also they have mentioned there in the notes. I mean in the question only. Contribution amount is 300. We got contribution amount also. In this contribution we have to do, see in this contribution we have to do fixed cost. So deduct contribution, in contribution we have to deduct fixed cost. So fixed cost is 150. After deducting fixed cost also we will get EBIT amount here. So do a calculation. So just take a calculator and do a calculation. Yeah, 300 minus 150. We are getting same amount here, 150. After this we have to deduct interest on this. So what's the interest amount they have given for you? Yes, interest amount is 50. 150 minus 50. You can calculate 150 minus 50. Sorry, 150 minus 50 is, once again, yes. So this amount is EBT. So 150 minus 50 is 100. So this is for the company A. So what we have to do? They have given three calculation we have to do. First one is operating leverages, financial leverages and combined leverages. So first operating leverages. For operating leverages formula is contribution divided by EBIT. So here contribution amount is 300 divided by EBIT amount is EBIT amount is 150. Do a calculation of that. Take a calculator and do a calculation of that. 300 divided by 150. How much we are getting? Here 2 times. So next is financial leverages. For this, for this financial leverages formula is, yesterday only I have taught you. Financial leverages formula is EBIT divided by EBT. So financial leverages formula is EBIT divided by EBT. So your EBIT amount is 150 divided by EBT amount is 100. So do a calculation of that. Take a calculator and do a calculation of 150 divided by 100. We are getting 1.5 times. So after completing these two, operating leverages and financial leverages, so this is the one more formula, one more method we got, that is combined leverages. So for combined leverages, I don't have place here. So I hope you wrote till here. You got it. I'll just erase this. I am not erasing all the amounts. I'm just erase here and I'll write here. So for the combined leverages, formula is operating leverages divided by financial leverages. So for combined leverages formula is operating leverages divided by financial leverages. So here what amount we got here? Final amount. So operating leverages we got 2 times, means 2. For the financial leverages we got 1.5. So these two amounts we have to take for this. So operating leverages is 2 divided by financial leverages is 1.5. So please make a calculation, take your calculators and make a calculation. 2 divided by 1.5. So we are getting here 1.33 times. So this is calculation of company A. We have to do one more calculation of company B like this only. So till here I think hope you understood. So please make a note or take a screenshot till here. We will go through the company B. Said on that time only we have did a calculation of a company A. Now we have to do a calculation of company B. So take it uh, take it as company B. So I have forget it. This is for mainly, this is you have to focus. This is for 10 marks problem. So I'll write here. No, I'll write here now. So this is for 10 marks. Yeah, we will see. First we have to do particulars. Means we have to write particulars and amount column here. So first we have to, what we have to take first? Already three videos over. So first we have to take a sales here. In company B, how much the amount they have given? In company A they have given 500 units. So in company B they have given 1000. So you have to write 1000 amount. Sales amount is 1000. In this sales we have to deduct variable cost. So here variable cost is 300. Do a calculation. 1000 minus 300, we will get contribution amount. Contribution amount. So take a calculator and do a calculation of that. Take out your calci and do a calculation of this. 1000 minus 300, how much we are getting? 700 here. This contribution amount is 700. In this contribution amount, see here only, in this contribution amount we have to do a fixed cost. So we have to deduct a fixed cost here. So fixed cost is how much? They have given 400. Fixed cost is 400 they have given. In this fixed cost we will get EBIT amount. So make a calculation of this. Make a calculation of this. Please take a calculator and do a calculation of this. 700 minus 400. How much you are getting? Yeah, I got 300 here. So in this 300, we have to deduct the interest amount here. So interest amount, how much they have given? 100. So what is our EBIT amount? Is simple calculation. 300 minus 100 is 200. So this is our EBT, earning before tax. So once again I'll explain. For the company B, they have given sales 1000 rupees. We have to deduct variable cost. In that we got 300. In we have to do minus, in this 1000 minus 300 we are getting 700. In this contribution we have to do fixed cost 400. We get EBIT amount as 300. In this 300 we have to deduct interest rate, that is 100. So in we have we can, if we do a EBIT minus interest, we'll get EBT. So EBT amount is 200 here. So in the past problem only we have did three calculation. One is operating leverages, second financial leverages, and main thing one more added, that is combined leverages. So in this problem company B also we have to do three problems, means three methods we have to do, that is operating leverages. So for this operating leverages, already I have said what's the formula. Contribution divided by EBIT. So here contribution amount, how much they have given? We got 700. EBIT amount is 300. So take a calculator and do a calculation. 700 divided by 300. 700 divided by 300. So we are getting 2.3 times here for the operating leverages. So here next for the financial leverages, what's the formula? EBIT divided by EBT. So EBIT amount is 300 and EBT amount is 200. I'll write here only. Take a calculator and do a calculation of this. 300 divided by 200. How much we are getting? 1.5 times. So next, last one is combined leverages. So for the combined leverages, what's the formula? I have said on that time only. We have to do divided in these two only. Operating leverages divided by financial leverages. So operating leverages divided by financial leverages. How much amount will get? Operating leverages, how much they have we got here? Operating leverages is 2.3 divided by financial leverages is 1.5 times 1.5. I'll write here only. So take a calculator and do a calculation of this. Please take a calculator. Yes, 2.3 divided by 1.5. So I got 1.53 times. So hope you understood the all the main topics of the leverages. So I learned the leverages topic for here itself. So please make a note or take a screenshot, and please rewind and see whether which main you didn't understood. You can just pause and make a notes. So hope you understood from here, from first problem to till here. So please make a note or take a screenshot. We will see you in the next class.